Welcome to the Lovingkindness meditation for becoming a magnet for health, wealth, and wholehearted living. Today, we will be adding another dimension to cultivate the connection with the unconditional love in our heart, the nature of source or divine energy, with the sense of touch. If possible, get a hold of your favorite cozy blanket, a soft stuffed toy, or even a part of the clothing you're wearing that feels pleasant to touch. Keep that cozy object close to you. Find a comfortable posture where your body feels supported. Allow your hands to rest gently. Close the eyes or lower the gaze. Take a slow, deep breath in through the nose and gently exhale through your mouth. Again, breathing in calm. Hold. Breathing out any tension in the body. Inhale, calm. Hold. Exhale, letting go. Sink deeper into the surface beneath you and return to your normal breathing. There's nowhere else you need to be and nothing you need to do. Simply arrive in this moment exactly as you are. Bring the attention to the heart center. Imagine a warm, golden light glowing there. With every breath, this light becomes brighter, softer, warmer, and more expansive. It is the light of loving kindness, metta, the unconditional love that already lives within you. Touch the soft, fluffy object now. Feel the coziness in your hand and in your heart. Scan the body. Notice how the body responds to this sensation. Maybe a softening around the chest, dropping off the shoulders, settling around the gut, relaxing of certain muscles, or sinking deeper into the surface beneath you. Whatever they might be, bookmark those feelings. And silently repeat with emphasis on the feeling. May I be safe, safe. May I be joyful, joyful. May I be balanced in body, mind, heart, and spirit. May I live with ease and with peace. Allow these words to gently settle into every cell of your being. Now imagine this golden light flowing throughout your entire body. It nourishes every organ, every muscle, every bone, every heartbeat. Your body is wise. Your body knows how to heal, restore, and find balance. If it helps you connect to the warmth within you, continue to make contact with the cozy object throughout the practice. Meanwhile, familiarize yourself with this soft, fuzzy feeling within you. As you breathe, think, I honor my body with love. I welcome vibrant health. I nourish myself with kindness. I am grateful for the life flowing through me. Take another slow, deep breath. Now let this radiant light expand beyond your body, creating a beautiful field of warmth around you. This field is not built from striving or forcing. It is created through presence, gratitude, compassion, and trust. Notice how peaceful it feels to simply be. From this peaceful presence, abundance begins to flow. Imagine yourself standing beneath a gentle waterfall of white light. This light represents opportunities, supportive relationships, meaningful work, creativity, generosity, and prosperity. You do not need to chase it. You simply open your heart to receive inspiration and what serves your highest good. Repeat in your heart, I am open to receiving abundance with gratitude. I welcome opportunities that align with my values. I use my gifts for the benefit of myself and others. As I flourish, I create space for others to flourish too. Feel these words settling into your heart. Now, bring to mind someone you love easily. It could be a pet, a beloved friend, or a family member who you have an easy and simple relationship with. Smile at them in your heart if it feels natural. Picture them surrounded by the same white light. Keep engaging the sense of touch with the cozy object if it helps. May you be healthy. May you be peaceful. May you be joyful. May you experience abundance in all its wondrous forms. Watch the light surrounding them become brighter. Now, allow this circle of loving kindness to grow. Include your family, your friends, your community, your colleagues, even those you may have a challenging relationship with, and perhaps all beings. However, only expand the circle to the extent that your heart feels comfortable. If the heart wishes to stay at the level of friends in sending wishes of well-being, respect your feelings. Never force the heart. Visualize yourself being with those in your circle for a moment. Then, simply offer the wish, may we be whole and healed. May we be free from suffering. May we experience joy and contentment. May all hearts know love. Notice that love is never diminished by sharing it. like the flame of a candle lighting another candle. It only grows brighter. Feel gratitude for your breath, gratitude for your body, heart, opportunities already unfolding, both seen and unseen. Say to yourself softly, I choose love over fear. I choose presence over worry. I choose gratitude over scarcity. I welcome health into my body. I welcome peace into my mind. I welcome abundance into my life. I am worthy of giving. I am worthy of receiving. I am a compassionate presence in the world. Take one more deep breath, filling yourself with light, kindness, and quiet confidence. As you exhale, allow this peaceful energy to settle deeply within you, knowing that each mindful breath, each loving thought, and each compassionate action plants seeds for a life of greater well-being, meaningful abundance, and authentic joy. You may use any of these phrases or the memory of touching a soft object whenever you want to connect with this deep, unconditional love again in any situation. When you feel ready, gently bring awareness back to the breath. Wiggle the fingers and toes. Carry this loving presence with you into the rest of your day, allowing your thoughts, words, and actions to reflect the kindness and abundance that already live within your heart. May you be well. May you be happy. May you be peaceful. May you live with an open heart. And may your life be a blessing to yourself and to all beings.